Something very strange happened in my lab today. I discovered these three mysterious liquids that seem to react to something I've never seen before. Watch this carefully. When I hold this beaker close to my heart, oh my, look at that! The liquid is turning golden yellow. It's responding to my happiness. Now let me think about something sad, like missing my friend Professor Frost. Look, the liquid is turning blue. It's reflecting my feelings. And when I think about messy lab equipment, grrr, whoa, bright red! This liquid is showing my anger. I need to understand what's happening. These solutions react to tiny changes in body chemistry. Different emotions change our body temperature and skin pH, which these special chemicals can detect. You can try this at home. Red cabbage juice is a natural pH indicator. Mix it with baking soda for blue-green or lemon juice for pink. Science is truly magical. These emotion liquids show us that chemistry is everywhere, even in our feelings. Amazing chemical reactions are waiting to be discovered. Won't try the red cabbage experiment at home. Subscribe to Wonder Labs for more science adventures. Keep experimenting and stay curious.
Wonder